Hello everyone. Welcome to Ava Talks Crypto. I'm your host, Ava, and I'll be delivering all the hottest and latest news happening in and around the crypto space. For today's top stories, Bitcoin and Ethereum stable after last week's nosedive, XRP leads crypto gains. Analysts predict XRP's price after Judge Torrest grants SEC's appeal process for Ripple case. Shiba Inu, Dogecoin, and Floki set to eclipse Bitcoin's legacy after last week's market chaos. Shibarium live but in private mode, Shiba Inu's developer explains why. Philippine National Police issues warning against play to earn crypto games. If you're new to our channel, Ava Talks Crypto is a YouTube channel dedicated to delivering all the latest news that affects the crypto space. We also upload daily market report videos for a more comprehensive look at Bitcoin's daily market performance to help investors make sound trade decisions. Before we begin, please support what we do by giving this video a thumbs up and subscribing to our channel. Also, don't miss out on the latest crypto news and market reports by hitting that bell icon to get notified whenever we upload new videos. If you know someone you think may benefit from our videos, hit that share button. We also want to hear from you. So, don't forget to leave a comment. Now, let's move on and discuss the headlines. To kick things off, let's take a look at Bitcoin and Ethereum. On Monday morning in Asia, Bitcoin edged up to trade slightly above the $26,000 support level. Last week, the cryptocurrency market was in crisis mode, and Bitcoin slid over 10%. Ethereum also moved higher but remained below the $1,700 level following last week's losses. The rest of the cryptocurrencies were trading mixed on Monday, with XRP becoming one of the biggest gainers of the day. Meanwhile, the forecast 500 NFT index dropped as NFT marketplace OpenSea stated that it will stop enforcing creator royalties on August 31st. US stock futures were also trading flat after Wall Street logged weekly losses at the close of trading last Friday. Bitcoin hit a two-month low of $25,409.11 on Friday. It logged a weekly loss of 10.68%, according to data from CoinMarketCap. As the market opened in Asia, Bitcoin was seen trading above the $26,000 support level. According to James Butterfield, head of research at CoinShares, Bitcoin's retreat may largely be due to the cooling off of Bitcoin ETF hype in the US. Bitcoin's surge in June was largely attributed to BlackRock's application for SEC approval of a spot Bitcoin ETF. However, Butterfield added, the markets are coming to terms with the realization that immediate SEC approval for a spot Bitcoin ETF in the US is unlikely. He added that the current Bitcoin prices have stabilized around levels observed before BlackRock's announcement. Ethereum also moved up 0.85% over the weekend but has remained 8.50% lower for the past 7 days. The XRP led the winners and gained 3.96% to trade at $0.5408. However, this price is still significantly lower than what it was before last week's sudden crash. Moving on, analysts predict XRP's price after Judge Torrest grants the SEC's appeal process for its Ripple case. While XRP is trading more than 16% up from Thursday's lows and is back to the north of its 200 DMA and the psychologically important 50 cents level, it continues to trade lower by around 20% on the week. In the midst of a wider collapse in the cryptocurrency market, XRP, the token that powers the XRP ledger that Ripple Labs launched more than 10 years ago, has fallen sharply this week. Bitcoin and Ethereum also took big hits last week, with the majority of the cryptocurrency market trading in the red. According to analysts, macro has been a headwind in recent weeks. August liquidity conditions were also seen to be thinner than usual, which meant that the month was expected to be volatile and bearish. Bitcoin and Ethereum also broke below major support levels, calling their 2023 uptrends into question, which heavily weighed on sentiment. Another factor that's likely weighing on XRP is that Judge Torrest just handed the US SEC a lifeline by allowing the agency to start its appeal process on the recent decision made on XRP. According to attorney John Deaton, the appeal's approval will likely lengthen the lawsuit by another 3 to 6 months. The appeal also sparked fears from investors that the appeal may pave the way for the SEC to reverse Judge Torrest's landmark decision on XRP. Many are asking where XRP is headed. The sudden and dramatic reversal lows from last month's highs have seen it break to the south of its 2023 uptrend. If XRP loses its grip on its 200 DMA, then a fall back to support levels in the 45 cents, 41 cents, 35 cents, and 30 cents levels may be possible. According to market analysts, while more near-term downside is certainly a possibility for XRP, a drop this big is highly unlikely. Ripple remains in the driver's seat in its lawsuit versus the SEC. At the moment, we have a lot of events to consider that are affecting XRP's price. The token may experience a further downtrend in the near term, but if Ripple Labs wins its case against the SEC, it's highly likely that XRP will surge. In other news, in the wake of last week's significant market downturn, Shiba Inu, Dogecoin, and Floki are set to eclipse Bitcoin's legacy. The cryptocurrency landscape has been a hot topic last week that sparked debate and speculation. Market caps across the board witnessed substantial declines, leading to polarized options among traders and investors. While some anticipate a swift market recovery, others are viewing the recent events as merely the onset of a more extended downturn. However, according to crypto analysts, there is a silver lining amidst the chaos. In a post on X on Friday, analysts highlighted that the average returns on altcoins are currently in a mathematically historic opportunity zone. From a statistical standpoint, this means that there might be significant upside potential for investors willing to enter the market at this juncture. The recent market events marked one of the most pronounced price drops in 2023. The aftermath of last week's decline is still very much in the air, with the market yet to find stable ground. Shiba Inu, Dogecoin, and Floki are seen as the big winners after last week's market chaos. Analysts predict that these tokens can even eclipse Bitcoin's legacy. Up next, we have Shiba Inu's Shibarium live, but in private mode. Shiba Inu's developer explains why. In a recent update given by Shiba Inu's lead developer, Shytoshi Kasama, Shiba Inu Layer 2 solution Shibarium is currently live but in private mode. Kasama said that Shibarium is presently producing blocks as normal. Kasama also stated that the restart of the Shibarium blockchain has been successful after it had a pause shortly after its launch due to a massive influx of users. According to SHIB developer Carl Daria, Shibarium received millions of compute units of traffic shortly after its launch on August 16. This caused Shibarium to go into fail-safe mode and pause to ensure funds were safe. Kasama further added that Shibarium also went through temporary internal testing, and developers are scaling up in multiple ways. Shibarium recently saw its operations scaled by an enormous 1,500% by the Alchemy team and the decentralized team. Validators have also had to scale the server infrastructure by 1,500%. In the most recent update, Kasama highlighted that the team is focused on ensuring perfect security measures are in place and has begun deep testing on the blockchain. The developer added that scaling and testing would continue on Monday ahead of reopening the chain to the public. To wrap things up, the Philippine National Police issued a warning against play-to-earn crypto games. The Anti-Cybercrime Department of the Philippine National Police warned citizens against crypto gaming schemes and so-called play-to-earn games. In the note, the police warn that the niche is rife with scams because operators usually don't have to comply with certain standards, such as anti-money laundering, which can increase the risk of fraud. The statement also used one particular example where victims are lured by fake rewards or fraudulently created gaming apps. The police added that confidence tricksters look for victims online to establish trust with their victims over time. Eventually, these con artists would direct their victims to an online game where they claim that playing the games will let them earn crypto. The police cited Sky Mavis's Axie Infinity as an example. While authorities did not label the popular crypto game a scam, Axie Infinity's blockchain infrastructure fell victim to one of the largest hacks in history. A total of $622 million in user funds was stolen from the bridge between the game's Cytokine Ronin and the Ethereum mainnet. Although Axie Infinity managed to return the funds, the combined effects of the hack and last year's market-wide recession sank its play count from 2.7 million to a little more than 359,000 today. These are the latest news stories we have for you today. Don't forget to check out our daily market report videos. Again, this is Ava from Ava Talks Crypto. Thank you, and have a great day.